Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Prius tire, full guide. Park on level ground and set the parking brake, then chock the opposite wheel and loosen lug nuts slightly before lifting. Use the correct jack point under the pinch weld, lift until the tire clears, remove lug nuts, swap the spare, hand thread lug nuts, lower the car, and torque lug nuts to spec in a star pattern. Gather all tools first so you can work methodically and safely without interruptions. Confirm the spare tire pressure and tool condition, then wear gloves and eye protection. Position wheel chocks and keep the jack on solid ground. Loosen lug nuts while the car is grounded, then lift only after nuts are eased. If you feel unsure at any step, pause and consult guidance or ask for help to avoid mistakes. Quick recommendation: if you like hands-free help while working on your car, try the Echo Dot smart speaker for music and voice timers when changing a tire. It fills the garage with clear sound, answers quick torque or conversion questions, and keeps your phone safely out of the way. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by loosening lug nuts while the car remains grounded to avoid wheel spin and instability. Place the jack at the manufacturer-indicated lift point, raise the car until the tire clears, and finish removing lug nuts. Mount the spare, hand-tighten nuts, lower the car until the tire contacts the ground, then torque lug nuts to the specified value in a star pattern. Recheck tire pressure and stow tools securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.